I have the feeling that if me and her had been sitting in the same damn room when we heard that and saw it, we would have looked at each other with a side eye and been like, "What the fuck was that?" Oh my god, can you imagine Villain and me on the same panel when this shit went down? Oh my god. The world couldn't handle us. I don't think the world can handle us. The amount of sarcasm in one place. I can't breathe. But she goes, what the hell? I know we have to hear that again because I can't. Somebody needs to clip that. I swear to God, somebody needs. Somebody needs to clip that and make it, put it on their soundboard. I need, I need that clip.
So far, because people on the internet send her things thinking she needs them, right? And she doesn't.
I'll see y'all in Lisa's live.
Y'all see me and Lisa live.